welcome back. In this lesson, we'll design the select state of the book appointment screen. So let's select this frame and bring it here. All right. So here we'll just make like 2 more copies. Add 1 more and leave it there. So you can rename the frames as select date 1. Okay. Then the other one to select the 2. Select the 2 and select date 3. All right. So now we'll change the selection state. So here I'll start with Monday. So double tap the frame that have Monday only and change the background fill. So come here on that fill and change it to our active color, this one. Then we'll also change the text color to white. So we are done with first one. Similarly, the button, which we revert it back to active since user have made selection this time. So here I'll go to Tuesday, double tap the frame of Tuesday and also add fill to it to our active from our colors and change the text color to white, also the button to active from our global color. All right. Then the next one, I'll skip 2 days and just do that of Friday and double tap to also update the background fill that is going to be here and change it to our active color, then the text color to white and also the button from disable to active color. Okay, so we're done with this section. Now the quick challenge I'm giving you is for you to complete the remaining days, add more screens and select stage for the remaining days and submit it via the email. All right, if you're just joining us, this is a mobile app design project. You can subscribe and join my community to follow up with this project. In the next lesson, we'll design the screen for user to select the appointment based on time and also select platform of appointment, be it messaging, video call or voice call. See you there.